What's going on, guys? We're back. We're talking about Shibnobi and the exchanges that are coming very, very soon. So if you are in the shinjas, make sure you're subscribed to this channel for daily cryptocurrency content. So Shibnobi, we haven't really covered this because there hasn't really been a lot coming out. We've had a lot of exchange news. There was a load of noise about kind of private pre-sale sellers selling all their bags, etc., etc. But bringing it back to Shibnobi and what they're doing and why I am still invested and why I think this is a token that we need to be interested in. So we're looking at this roadmap. We're working our way through the exchanges. Crypto.com and Binance are still quite a way off, but Getio, we do have some news in this video as to when that launches, and we also have the Safemoon exchange coming very, very soon as well. So looking forward to Doja Swap. It has been confirmed that Floki Musk will be the first project on Doja Swap, so excited to see what that looks like as they start to work it through. We're still waiting for the CertiK audits on both the Katana two-factor authentication and the Kasari blockchain. We are still waiting for, but definitely working through this exchange listing pretty quickly on the roadmap. When we take a look at the price of Shinja, it is up 1.34% on the day, 1587. Looking at the stats, good amount of liquidity, which is always what you want to see. Nearly $37 million worth of liquidity. Daily volume at 2.6 million is a really good, healthy number as well. And just under $600 million on market cap, 56,149 holders so far. So look, trending sideways. We saw this big sell-off here, which was the, I think, 700 ETH or something like that, which was a pre-sale wallet, and then the tokens were burned. So that supply is starting to get eaten up very, very quickly. If we move into here, go into holders, we can see we're at 45.5% of this total wallet that's been burnt. So the supply is getting eaten up nice and quick, which is always good to see. And like I said, just some level of consolidation going sideways. I think we will start to see some movement on the back of some of these listings that we're going to see. So we do get this February the 14th Valentine's special. Shinja will be listed on Getio, an exchange with 24-hour trading volume of 886 million. 10% of the trading volume would triple our current price. So excited to see what that looks like. I don't think we'll see a triple in price, but certainly Getio is another avenue and another entry point for Shibnobi to start to see some big volume coming into the token. I think they can kind of apply that with maybe some update on the Katana wallet or something else to go along with it other than just listing. I think would be a really good bit, of marketing or a good bit of advertising for the product would sit very, very well, I think, with that listing on Gate.io. And then we also have February the 9th, a little bit sooner, 4 days time, the listing on Safemoon. I think Safemoon is going to be a very undervalued, underutilized swap, and I think this could come out of nowhere and be a very big player in the world of DeFi. You know, certainly I think so, because I think, you know, Safemoon is built upon security, and I just think it's an underutilized platform. Shinja is probably the first big token we're seeing launch on the Safemoon swaps. I'm really excited to see what that looks like, and I think we might start to see suit with some other tokens moving over onto the Safemoon swap. I'd be interested to see what that difference between SaterMask and Safemoon swap. I think they're certainly competing in the same sort of space, so excited to see what that is going to look like. And then we obviously had the notes from the AMA from Cliff last night. So merch store is pretty much set up, ready to go. So look, it'd be interesting to see what that looks like. Packs for the checkout, I'll offer 300 plus different payment methods. So clearly you can get your merch from there. Event sponsorship, Cliff is looking at the events. We did see Shiba Inu. They're going to be doing an event in Las Vegas. And I think with everything in crypto, people tend to follow other people. So look, going to be interesting to see what that looks like. Maybe an event over in Las Vegas. Crypto education, everyone seems to be getting on this bandwagon. We've seen it with a lot of tokens, but the stories have been scammed lately. Again, there's another rug pull over the last sort of 24 hours, but people being scammed and having trouble buying. Cliff believes we need to start put a bigger focus on education aspect of our ecosystem, which I totally agree with. I just think we need to bring it to a more central bit and don't have an influence from separate tokens. And then international awareness, adding more focus to crypto education. Cliff believes we need to attend to our international communities more. And I think we'll definitely see some of that on the back of the Dubai Expo. That feels like it's growing and growing, and it's going to be a really big event. Took some questions from the followers, if you like. And again, nothing really revolutionary here. Just the Katana wallet with SafePal, which it won't be. Look into a couple of mobile money apps, South African exchange. So the questions from the community slowed down a little bit. I think it'd be nice to see some really tough questions for Cliff. And again, just Indian celebrities, Shinja best reflections, just basic things. I think it'd be interesting to see what Gate.io looks like and what that brings in. And obviously we're working towards this kind of pairing and this swap with the Shinja token and the Shinja coin. And I think that'll be really interesting to see what that looks like. I think, what is my view on Shinja? I think it's, we're definitely in a sense of consolidation. I think we'll see that for the next 3 or 4 days. And then I think the Safemoon pairing, when we launch on there, we will definitely see some volume. Getting ready for the big volume on Gate.io. But still a lot of potential in Shibnobi. I think it's a little bit like Saitama, and people are interested or almost to the point where they want to see it fail. It's a very weird place right now in cryptocurrency, but look, still bullish on Shinja. I think it has a lot of potential, a lot of use cases. Again, I will always say this, the proof is in the pudding. When they launch some of these products, we'll see what happens, but look, hopefully that's not too far away. But let me know in the comments down below what you think of Shibnobi. Still holding strong, or did you sell your bag? And I'll see you guys in the next one.